Have you ever wondered how you grew from a tiny baby into the person you are today? Or how a cut on your knee magically heals itself? The answer to these amazing questions is hidden in a world too small for us to see. This is the world of cells. Cells are the tiny building blocks of all living things. Tallest trees, smallest insects, you and me. They are like microscopic bricks that construct everything that is alive. Each cell is a bustling city of activity, working hard to keep you healthy and strong. They are the unsung heroes of your body, constantly working behind the scenes. But cells do not live forever. They get old, they get damaged, or the body simply needs more of them to grow. So what do? They divide. Cell division is how organisms grow bigger, replace worn-out cells, and repair injuries. Imagine your body as a giant Lego castle. Cell division gives you new bricks, more to build up, and to replace the ones that fall off. This incredible process connects every living thing on our planet, and today, we will explore it together. The life of a cell is a journey called the cell cycle. Most of a cell's life is spent in a stage called interphase. During this time, the cell is just living its best life, growing, doing its job. Inside the nucleus, DNA makes a complete copy of itself. This is super important. So each new cell gets a full set of instructions. When the cell is ready to divide, it enters mitosis. The first stage is prophase. Copied DNA wins from loose strands into chromosomes. Tiny X shapes of identical copies joined in the middle. The nuclear envelope begins to break down, like dancers getting into position before the music starts. Next up is metaphase. Chromosomes move to the middle and line up single file, like a perfectly straight conga line. Microscopic fibers attach to each chromosome to ensure an equal distribution. The real action happens in anaphase. Fibers pull, the X-shaped chromosomes split and move to opposite ends, like a tug of war where both sides win. The cell stretches and the genetic material is fully parted, paving the way for two new cells. Finally, cytokinesis completes the split. Two brand new identical daughter cells. Now let's roll up our sleeves and become cell sculptors. We can use simple mud or clay to build our own models of mitosis. First, let's make interphase. Roll a big ball of clay to be your cell. Place a smaller, different colored ball inside. That is your nucleus. Use thin threads or yarn to represent DNA. Keep it relaxed and stringy in interphase. Your cell is growing and copying its DNA, getting ready. For prophase, take the threads out, pair them, and twist each pair into X shapes, your chromosomes. Use small beads to connect the halves of each X. Break apart the clay nucleus to show it dissolving. Place X chromosomes across the middle in a neat line. Stretch pipe cleaners or sticks from each pole to every chromosome. For anaphase, gently pull each X apart at the bead and guide halves to opposite ends. Stretch the cell into an oval. Group single chromosomes at each end and form new nuclei with small clay pieces. Pinch the middle. This is cytokinesis, the final split. You have created two identical daughter cells. The best part about learning with our hands is that everyone can join in. Science is for every single one of us, no matter how we learn or what our abilities are. This mud and clay activity makes sure everyone feels included. For students who are blind or have low vision, it is an amazing tactile experience. Feel the round cell, the textured chromosomes, and the moment of division. Add labels in Braille or large print for interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Use different textures, like sand in one clay color, to distinguish membrane from nucleus by touch. Beads of different shapes can represent chromosomes versus other parts. Teamwork makes the dream work. One person can be the lead sculptor, shaping the main cell. Another is the chromosome chief, twisting yarn and beads into perfect X shapes. A stage manager guides the steps in the correct order. The documentarian captures photos or drawings of each stage. This is about building community, communicating, listening, helping, and being patient and kind. Look what we have created. Before us is not just a collection of mud models, it is a story. It is the story of life, growth, and renewal, told through art and science. We took cell division, complex and abstract, and made it real, tangible. We felt chromosomes condense, saw them line up, and pulled them apart to make two cells. There are many ways to be smart: sculpting, a great eye for color, or being an amazing team leader. Creativity is a scientist's powerful tool, imagining, designing experiments, and solving problems. Today, we asked questions, built models, and shared our discoveries. Be proud of what you built, what you learned, and how you worked together. The friendships and kindness are the most important lessons of all. When you see a plant grow or a cut heal, remember the dance of mitosis you sculpted. Keep being curious, keep being creative. Science is an adventure for everyone.